Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing essential tools and taking the first concrete actions. Install Git and Git LFS, then match your Unity editor via Unity Hub. Once done, open or create the project, set asset serialization to force text and visible meta files so merges work. Create a Git ignore tailored for Unity, run Git init, add files, and commit. Make sure large binary assets are tracked with Git LFS before you push to avoid bloating the repository. Now continue by connecting and structuring work for collaboration. Add the remote origin pointing to your GitHub repository and push the main branch, confirming Git LFS objects uploaded correctly. Create short-lived feature branches for each task and commit often with descriptive messages so history is clear. When merging, rebase or use pull requests to review changes, resolve conflicts in text-based assets. Optionally, configure a simple GitHub Actions workflow to run Unity test builds on pull requests, so broken changes are caught early. Finish by consolidating work and ensuring the repo stays healthy. Merge feature branches through pull requests, choosing squash or merge commits per your team's policy, and then push the final main branch. Always pull before pushing and resolve merge conflicts in text assets. Use Unity YAML merge or a similar tool to preserve scenes and prefabs. If something goes wrong, check Git LFS status and quota, run Git LFS fetch and Git LFS pull, and consider restoring a backup. Make sure to run.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.